You are going to love the 2015 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, navigation system. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.